Inspired by nature, Osburn once again is breaking new ground and making a name for itself with the Matrix 2700. Far more than a fireplace insert, this everyday companion was built taking even the most minor detail into consideration. Equipped with a clean combustion system and providing peak perfection performance, this non-catalytic device combines unparalleled ingenuity and know-how. The Matrix 2700 provides a panoramic view of the fire, given its large glass surface area and reduced minimum clearance requirements for combustible materials. Also, its design has an angular top with tapered sides, making it easy to install, even in smaller openings, and has a high-quality blower. At Osburn, quality is never compromised. All Osburn units are equipped with high-density refractory bricks that are impact-resistant. The baffle is made of superior materials, as are the secondary air tubes that allow for clean and efficient secondary combustion. Osburn offers peace of mind with one of the best guarantees in the industry, world-class infrastructure, and experience as an industry leader since 1979. You benefit from our customer experience and after-sales support that will surpass your expectations. Proudly made in Canada, Osburn products support local industry, as well as offer low-emission appliances that demonstrate our commitment to the environment for future generations.